It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2012 Lexus RX 350. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the RX 350. Driver's door has a programmable memory seat for up to 3 drivers, power door locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage, and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, headlight cleaner, power liftgate button, rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, light leather interior, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our audio controls. To the right is the Bluetooth command and cruise control. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, some interior lights, and power sunroof buttons. This is our infotainment screen. We're able to cycle through that screen using the button down below. We're able to go left to right, side to side. This system also has navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera. CD player, AM/FM radio, climate control buttons with air conditioning. The engine push start button is to the right of the steering wheel, and dual cup holders, traction control, heated and ventilated front leather seats. At the front of the Lexus, we have fog lights, 19-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.5-liter V6 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have the integrated turn signal indicator, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, keyless entry, and keyless start. As we make our way to the back, I'll open up the liftgate here by pushing the button down below. In the trunk, plenty of cargo storage space, a cargo shade, some lighting, the levers to fold the second row seats down, along with a power plug-in and a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The rear fans, rubber floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders, an armrest, and a storage compartment. We're able to close those compartments all together. And we're also able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the seat release on the side of the seat. So come take a look at the 2012 Lexus RX 350, or you can visit us online at wolfegmcbuick.com. And to stay up to date on all things GMC, be sure to click the like and subscribe button.